All right. Trying another couple more games. I think I might be getting my daily 30 points. If that's the case, that's going to put me right around 5th place. If I win, I got to win first. Anyway. 4 winning streak. All right, I got people with all these different ratings. I don't have those. I don't know why. I guess you get those as you move up. This looks like the States. I'm going to say, almost looks like Tennessee. Come on. Get me back around. Where in the hell am I at? I was trying to get to that sign. Right there. Good golly. All right. Canada. Montreal. Right on top of me, really. Wow. Wow. Right now I'm thinking Western Africa, but I'm not sure, like Ghana maybe. Let's just put that as a placeholder right now. Go right here. See what this little sign says. We got nothing. I think this one might have something on it though. All right, Ghana. All right, I was good on that. It looks like it's kind of on the outskirts of the town. Really, right on top of me. Wow. This is going to be a long game. So that's 2 locations in a row that someone was right on top of me. Not sure what this feels like. I want to say this is probably New Zealand. For no other reason than I don't know where the hell I'm at. So it looks like maybe a coast down here. And if that's the case, at least I can narrow it down as far as what the hell? Maybe I'm wrong. So there's anything on here that kind of gives me ideas. Hell, this could be South America too. Nothing has given me a. Oh no, there was there an indication for that? Maybe there was. I don't remember. Why did I pick New Zealand? That had been a reason. Let's do. Looks like a mountain road somewhere in the middle of New Zealand, and I was completely off. Wow. That was a big hit. Wasn't on top of me that time. All right. I'm not sure where this feels like right here. Again, I'm pushing towards New Zealand again. I don't know. Pretty narrow road, so I can't tell what side of the road the Google truck's been on. Let's just put for right now, because there's nothing standing out to me right now. And I don't want to guess if they're going to give me time. If he's going to give me time, then I'm all for it. Now, there was something about Russia, but most of that's dirt roads. Man, this is like dragging. I can't move. All right, I'm just going to guess. Get past this one. Oh no, I can't move. A pretty long game, actually. Wow. That's it. Game over. Alright. Well, can't cry about it. I was all over the place. I've been all over the place tonight. I would like to get to 6th place, though. Alright, my winning streak went down to 0. What was that, 3? I think I said before my... Alright, we're just going to go right off the bat with Taiwan. I guess that's where we're going. Wow, we were both pretty close. This can be one of those dead-end places where I can't get out. You get caught into some of these housing areas and these really condensed cities, and you get stuck down an alley, and then you turn down another. It's like a maze. It lowers your chances of succeeding in a win, especially if you have a person that's a quick guesser, which this person isn't, which is good. Yeah, see, I wish I knew more about the script, but it definitely I'll go to Moscow for now. Nothing saying anything different to me. I don't see a big mine. That looks like a pretty big building. Let's see if this that's Russia. Let's go way down. Alright, so I took my, really, right on top of me again. We're 8 miles apart. Come on. I'm wondering how that actually is, wow. This is an old city. Looking at it, well, here we go. Oh. I hate when there's getting these little jams with this thing. Maybe Poland? Does it seem like... Yeah, this is a big city. Let's go to Krakow. Turkey. Alright. I gotta look at that script for that. Because in Turkey, I thought you've seen Arab text, but alright. We're gonna go right now, just Togo, but see if I can get some signs over here. Gosh, Africa's so hard sometimes. Beacon. Senegal. Knocked him down a little bit, which is good. What do we got here? Nothing. Nothing that's gonna help me. Alright. This is Scandinavian, I think. I don't know. I'm not. 100% on that. Can't even tell you what country this feels like right now, but a lot of people walking around with shorts on, and we're stuck. Damn it. Well, at least my opponent isn't. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing. Parking. This feels like Denmark, but I'm not 100%, so we'll guess. Definitely wasn't the United States. Alright, that was a big hit. Round 5. Next round, I mean, once you get to round 5, round 6, it's anybody's game. Really is. Where are we at? Bangkok, Gotta City. I don't know. I might be. No, that was wrong. Damn. It was Philippines. Good. That scared me for a second. Why did I think Bangladesh? Alright, hopefully I can pick up something off these walls pretty quick. San Bernardino, this is in California. So, San Bernardino, Santa Clara, Santa Barbara, San Jose, San Francisco, wow, I wish I would have got that a little bit quicker, but what? Wow, that was way off. Holy shit. Oh my goodness, that was awful. I thought for sure I was in California. Oh, that is so awful. There's some kind of school here. What does it say? Institute Melik. I don't know if that even shows up on here. I don't know. Pretty alright, but wow. All over in Senegal. Still closer. Round 8. Okay. Let's go for there right now. At least I'm not lagging as bad as I was. Holy mackerel. At least I can move around a little bit. The V. Right there. And this is near a big round thing. So I'm going to say this is probably I'm hoping that we're right on it, but we'll see. I'd like to get a 5,000. What? Yeah. Well, I want it. Round 9. Oh, that's the farthest I've gone in the game. Boom. And I get my big points. Alright. Alright, so that was good. 238. So basically I gotta get 30 to be up on top, but I'm not gonna press that right now. Alright. I want to hold on for like, let me see some. 131 games, 77 wins. I guess I'm sitting around 50%, somewhere in there. Alright.